was already here. The rise of artificial intelligence is changing everything, from how we work to how we learn, and even how we think. Ready to unlock your true potential and stay ahead of the curve?
Let's dive in and discover the power of what's coming next, how you can thrive in this new era.
From jobs to education, AI is taking over, creating new opportunities but also raising big questions. But don't worry, this change is your chance to level up. Are you ready to grab it? The real question is, how will you adapt? The answer could define your future. The revolution is happening. It's time to embrace the future and take control of your destiny.
Can AI really replace humans? Let's break it down with examples from history to today. Where are we headed?
Remember when the Industrial Revolution introduced machines that replaced manual labor?
Fast forward to today, and AI is doing the same. But this time, it's not just physical work, it's intellectual tasks too.
Just like machines took over repetitive factory work in the past, AI is now automating things like driving,
Data entry.
And even writing.
But does this mean humans are out of a job?
Here's the twist. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones too. Just like the Industrial Revolution created jobs we never imagined, AI is opening doors to careers in tech, data, and even AI development.
The question isn't, can AI replace humans? It's how will you use AI to level up and stay ahead of the curve?
The future is bright for those ready to embrace change.
The future is unfolding right now. So how can you start today? Begin by learning the basics of AI. There are plenty of free resources online.
Try starting with simple coding, data analysis, or AI tools like ChatGPT to get a feel for what's possible.
The more you learn, the more you'll stay ahead in this exciting tech-powered world.
AI in education.
Imagine a classroom where AI helps you learn faster, understand better, and personalize your education. Is this the future of schooling? Just like the Industrial Revolution changed how we worked, education is evolving too.
AI is stepping in to transform how we learn, from smart tutors
To personalized learning paths.
AI isn't just a futuristic idea, it's here. It's being used to help students learn at their own pace.
get instant feedback, and focus on the areas they need most.
No more one-size-fits-all. Countries like Japan are already integrating AI into their education systems. The shift is global, and it's happening now. AI gives every student the opportunity
To learn in a way that's right for them, at their own pace and on their own terms. It's all about making learning more engaging, effective, and accessible.
AI is not just changing how we work, it's transforming how we learn. The future of education is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever. Start exploring AI-powered learning tools. Apps like Duolingo for languages or Khan Academy for personalized lessons are great places to begin.
The more you embrace AI in learning,
The more you'll be ready for the future of education. AI in politics. Did you know AI is being used to shape political opinions? Let's dive into how this technology is influencing the way we think and vote. Throughout history, information has always been power. Think back to the invention of the printing press, which revolutionized politics. Now AI is doing the same, but on a whole new level. AI is now used to create targeted political ads, spread misinformation, and even manipulate public opinion. Remember the 2016 US elections? AI played a key role in shaping the narrative through social media.
AI isn't always used for good.
In the wrong hands, it can mislead, deceive, and even divide nations. We've seen AI create fake news
Deep fakes.
and personalized propaganda that's hard to distinguish from reality.
But it's not all bad news.
By understanding how AI works, we can learn to spot manipulation and protect ourselves from fake news. The key is being informed and critical of the information we consume. AI is powerful, and it's shaping the political landscape.
The real question is, how will you use this knowledge to make informed decisions and protect the truth?
Want to stay ahead in this AI-driven world?
Start by following reliable news sources, learning how AI works in social media, and using tools that can spot fake news. Stay curious, stay informed, and always question what you see.
Ethical concerns and scams. AI is making our lives easier, But did you know it's also being used to scam people? Let's uncover how AI is being misused and how you can protect yourself. AI is everywhere, from voice assistants to self-driving cars.
It's changing the way we live and work.
But with all this power, AI can also be used for something far more sinister. AI can clone voices,
Generate fake identities.
and even manipulate video and audio to trick you. Have you ever received a call that sounds like someone you know?
It might not be them. It could be AI.
AI-powered scams are becoming more sophisticated.
From fake bank calls to phishing emails, scammers can create convincing messages that look like they're from legitimate sources, leaving you vulnerable.
So, how can you protect yourself?
It all starts with being cautious. Verify everything, whether it's a phone call, email, or video message. Don't trust everything you see or hear online. AI has incredible potential, but it also comes with risks. Stay informed, stay alert, and don't let scammers take advantage of you.
Your safety is in your hands.
Want to stay one step ahead? Use AI detection tools to spot deepfakes or voice clones, and always verify the source of suspicious messages.
When in doubt, trust your instincts and check twice.
AI and future trends. What's next for AI?
Are we on the brink of a tech revolution?
Or is AI just getting started?
Let's explore the incredible future ahead. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's the cornerstone of tomorrow's innovations. From self-driving cars to robots that can think, AI is already shaping our future in ways we never imagined.
Imagine walking into a store.
Where AI helps you find exactly what you need.
Or having a robot assistant handle your daily tasks?
From smart homes to personal assistants, AI is becoming more integrated into our lives every day.
But here's where things get really interesting.
Experts believe we're on the verge of developing artificial general intelligence, AI that can think, learn, and adapt just like humans. AI isn't just changing how we live, it's revolutionizing entire industries.
Healthcare,
Education.
Manufacturing, AI is optimizing every sector, making things smarter.
faster,
And more efficient.
But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI advances, we face important questions.
how do we govern AI?
How do we ensure it benefits everyone and not just a few? The future of AI is incredibly exciting.
But it's also full of challenges.
How will you adapt to this new world?
The choices we make today will shape tomorrow's AI landscape.
Start learning about AI today.
Whether it's coding,
Machine learning,
Or simply understanding AI tools,
the more you know.
the better prepared you'll be for the future.
Today we've explored how AI is transforming our world.
reshaping jobs, revolutionizing education.
Influencing politics, and even creating new opportunities.
While AI offers incredible potential, it also raises important ethical questions. The future is unfolding fast, and it's up to us to adapt, learn, and harness this technology to shape our destiny.
Stay curious.
Stay informed.
And take action today to thrive in this exciting new era. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you haven't watched our previous video on how to build an unbreakable mindset and achieve success, go check it out now and embrace the growth mindset.